Guys, this is the first coat. Came out all right, I guess. So yeah, I'm glad I thinned it out. It seemed to apply a whole lot better. Hope I didn't thin it too much, but I don't know how long it's going to take to dry. So sand it and put another coat. Okay guys, been working on the benders a little bit. String comes through here, wraps under here, connects here, and voila. I just need some arms that come out. And over here, it's still not dry. It's like 3 o'clock now. I painted this, or done this about 9 o'clock this morning. No, maybe about 8 o'clock this morning, and it's still, I don't want to touch it with my dirty hands, but it's still got some places. I'm gonna have to just let it sit all night. So that's where I am with that. Okay, this is the next day, next morning. It's dry, and I took I had 600 grit sandpaper. I just kind of very lightly went over it with that to get the rough off. I don't feel any rough. Well, maybe right there's a little place I'll have to hit. Anyway, I'm ready to put the second coat on. So I'll get that put on now. Okay, finally got the second coat on. Mahogany was a little bit harder to deal with than the maple, but I got it on there. So won't be able to touch this till tomorrow. I was supposed to get a piece of brass for the washers that I need for my bender. UPS guy, or Amazon delivery guy, came yesterday, handed me the package. The package was empty, nothing in it. So I said, before he left, I flagged him. I said, hey, wait a minute. And I said, there's nothing in this package. You know, a little bitty piece of brass was like $22. And so they took it back, and I went online. I ordered a smaller piece from a different company. All I need is to make 2 washers, but supposedly they're going to take that back and send me another one or something. I don't know. Just never works out like you want it, I guess, sometimes. Well, so that's all I got on this. So I don't know, maybe I'll add some more to this video. So okay guys, this is the guitar. I finished this today, the bender, and done quite a bunch of other stuff. Well, last night I put the last coat of polyurethane on it, and I've been in there for the last probably hour and a half wiring it up. Wasn't sure I got it right or what, but I just now plugged it into the amp right here, and it works great. So now I'm going to put the strings on. Okay guys, this has been quite the day. I ran it building this guitar into problem after problem after problem. I needed to make some washers for my bender here, brass washers. Finally got the brass in. Guess what? My lathe broke. I think a belt broke or something on it. So I better put my hat back on. So finally got all that done. Got everything assembled, put together. I got it all wired up. You can see I'm about ready. You're about to hear it for the first time. I got strings on it. Kind of a little bit hard to string it through this. And then the problem I had was the strings, you couldn't play, the strings kept popping out. Well, they're not at enough angle on the other side of this nut. So I had these, I took off I think some old guitars I used to have, and that holds the strings down and keeps them from popping out. So I've got her fairly tuned up. Well, it might not be. Here's my bender in action. Need to learn how to play this thing. Not sure what kind of tuning I got it in. I think I open E or something, but it's not up to pitch yet. But guys, that's what I got. Now I need to learn how to play this one. So excited about this bender here. I got to get used to it, you know. I can learn Silent Night on it or something. Anyways, guys, I'm excited about that. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. There's a lot of work in it. But put that stupid hat back on. But I'm happy with it, and I need to play around with it now a little bit. So God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.